Like we talked about in the last video, travel is one of the fastest ways to throw your body off. Different time zones, different food, different sleep, more alcohol, and less structure. And most people don't notice the impact until they get home and feel inflamed, bloated, exhausted, off for days. Welcome to the Longevity Path with Dr. Ava, where ancient wisdom meets modern regenerative medicine. And today I want to show you something very simple. What I actually bring with me when I travel, not a 40-step routine and not a suitcase full of supplements, just the few things that make the biggest difference, because the goal isn't perfection. It's maintaining enough consistency so that your body doesn't crash. Now, let's talk about the real health barrier here, and that's the loss of baseline consistency. This is the real issue with travel. It's not one bad meal, it's losing your baseline habits all at once. Hydration drops, protein intake drops, sleep quality drops, movement drops, and your body has to adapt quickly. This is where symptoms show up. So instead of trying to control everything, I focus on supporting a few key systems: hydration, digestion, and sleep. And your nervous system, that one's kind of important. But that's it. So what do I actually bring to do this, to accomplish this task? Well, let's keep it very real. Electrolytes are number one, and this is non-negotiable. Travel plus alcohol plus heat equals dehydration. And most of you are already underhydrated, and that's before you even leave. This alone can prevent fatigue, headaches, brain fog. Now, number two, magnesium. This helps with sleep, muscle tension, nervous system regulation. It's especially helpful when you're in a different environment or sleeping in a hotel. Number three, digestive support. This is so important. This could be digestive enzymes or just simple bitters, because eating out constantly is very different from how most people eat at home. Even if you're saying, I eat the same things there that I eat at home, well, it's not going to be from the same place, the same quality, all these things. So this will help reduce bloating, heaviness, and sluggish digestion. Now, number four, we talk about this a lot, your protein strategy. It's not a supplement, it's a decision. I don't rely on hoping I'll eat well. I try to make sure at least one meal per day is protein forward. And that stabilizes blood sugar, energy, cravings. Number five, simple sleep support. This might be an eye mask, consistent wind down time, limiting alcohol too late. Nothing complicated, but it is intentional. Now, number six, movement, not workouts, just movement. Walking, stretching, getting sunlight. This helps our body regulate faster in a new environment. And that's it. Do you notice what's not here? No rigid rules, no trying to control every meal, because that's not realistic. Now, here's your routine disruption. Travel completely disrupts your routine. That's normal though. The goal isn't to prevent disruption. It's to prevent complete collapse of your baseline habits, because this is what leads to inflammation, fatigue, and slow recovery. Now, I know sometimes when you're traveling, you can have access to massage, IVs, acupuncture, and those things are definitely helpful, especially if you're struggling to recover after trips. This is where additional support can help. So now you can do those things while you're traveling, and then when you come home, you come back to us, or you come back to your acupuncturist, your naturopathic doctor, your massage therapist, all the things. And then if you need additional support on top of that, you can seek out IV therapy. Personally, we like to use peptides and vitamins in injection form, or if you just need support with realigning your nutrition, your routine, we can also help support you there. But the important thing to remember is that the resources are there when you need them. You just have to ask or look for them. Remember, this isn't a replacement for the daily basic habits. These are only tools. So before your next trip, pick 2 things from this list and commit to them. Not all 6, just 2. Consistency beats intensity every time. I hope you found this helpful. Please like, subscribe, and comment below. Do you expect your body to stay stable while removing every structure it relies on? I mean, sometimes I do. You forget. Because travel doesn't break your body, it exposes what your body depends on. So thank you for joining me. And until next time, stay grounded, stay consistent, and build health that supports your life, not just your symptoms.